Hey guys, so this is how you're going to do your Elements of a Civilization Google Slides. This is going to be due a week from Tuesday, so I think that's September 29th. Go ahead on your Google Classroom, open up your Elements of a Civilization. Here's some directions in case you want to review those. Each slide contains an element of an advanced civilization. You're going to choose one of the civilizations that we're going to talk about in class, listed right here, and then you're going to fill in the rest of those slides. Each slide is going to be an element of that civilization. Go ahead and identify each element for that particular civilization and include at least one related picture per slide. If you want to include more, that's absolutely fine. So let's say that I am going to do ancient Egypt. So each slide is an element of the civilization. Let's say I'm doing the government slide. I would just put in Egyptian government. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab, do some research on ancient Egyptian government. And this is what I found. The pharaoh or king was the leader of the government, so on and so forth. I'm going to put that into my own words. That way I'm not just copying and pasting. And I'm going to type it into that slide. And then I'm going to just Google image, copy, paste some related pictures. I include two because I'm an overachiever like that, but one would be just fine. Some of these civilizations, you want to make sure that when you do your search, you type in ancient. So like Egypt is still around today. You're probably going to want to type in ancient Egyptian government or ancient Egyptian religion, if that makes sense. Otherwise, they're going to show you the more modern stuff, and that's great, but we want the ancient stuff. So ancient Greece would be another good one. You might want to type in ancient Greek government or ancient Greek economic system, so on and so forth. All right, once you're all finished, double check the rubric. We're going to go over it super quick so that way you guys know what's expected of you for this assignment. Make sure you accurately define each element of a civilization. That's the majority of your points, is making sure that you are describing it accurately. It doesn't have to be a whole like essay paragraph. It should be a summarization. The student provided a relevant image for each vocab word or each element of the civilization. So don't put like a picture of a lizard unless it actually has to do something with that slide. So let's say their economics, they use lizards as money. You could go ahead and put a picture of a lizard, but otherwise lizards are cool. Don't put it as a picture if it's not related to your slide. All right, students' presentation was professional and contained less than 3 spelling or grammatical errors and was put into their own words and had a unified format. Here's what I mean. I used to teach middle school, and middle schoolers got really crazy when they made slides. Like each slide had a different background, had a different font. That's great for middle school, but you guys are high school, moving on to more of that professional career sort of background or college background. So when you guys make slides, you want to make sure that each slide kind of has like a similar format or a similar background. You don't want to do like crazy different fonts within each slide or crazy backgrounds for each and every slide. You want to do a nice, unified, non-distracting background. If you just want to leave it blank, like this example one up here, that's fine. That's still professional. If you want to do a different theme, you can go ahead and click like this theme. You can change the background. Just make sure that it's professional and it's not distracting. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And then this will be due, remember, the 29th. So you guys have a little over a week to do this. Good luck.